Hello, children. I hope you've all enjoyed your weekend. I'm currently sat outside because it's the only place that I can find some quiet. You might hear one of my neighbours say hello in a minute. I don't know. It's a bit late, so maybe not. But the cat may join us. I can definitely hear birds as well. And if a car goes past, then I do apologise. Right. I hope you've enjoyed your weekend. Just going to share my screen with you, so I will disappear. I did manage to get my partner to cut my hair. It doesn't look too bad, actually. I'm not showing you the back bit because it's bald. It's not really. Right. So today, we're going to be doing a little bit of work on vocabulary. So, we are learning to understand the meaning of words. So I've chosen some words from the text and we're just going to have a look at some of their meanings, and then I'm going to ask you to create some sentences using these words. But before we go through all that, so I've got some words. The first one's humanoid, and I've typed up the meaning of the word, the definition, and then underneath there is a picture. Okay, there are two pictures. Now, as we're going through, children, you just need to pause it, and which picture would you tick, or which picture would you choose, rather, because you can't tick it. Which picture would you choose based upon the definition? Okay, so I'll read the definition, and then you choose which picture you think it best matches to. So, I'll get my pen ready. So, a humanoid, something that has the shape of a human being. So, what I want you to do now is pause it, have a think. Which picture are you going to tick? It's not that tricky. Okay, and hopefully you decided that one, because although it's a robot, it has the shape of a human being. A car, of course, could not be described as humanoid. Okay, here's the next one. A cocoon, a silky case, usually spun by insects. You just have a think, which picture do you think it matches? Pause it if you wish. And of course, it is this one. There's the cocoon there. It looks like a caterpillar's cocoon, so a butterfly will emerge. This, of course, I suppose it could be described as a cocoon if you go into your bed. A cocoon myself. Okay. Or I slinked back to my cocoon and didn't leave for days, or didn't want to leave for days. Next one. A vegetarian. I'm sure you'll know this one. A person or creature that does not eat meat or fish. So which word does vegetarian match up to? Okay, it is, of course, the chicken. Okay, there's a turnip, and it's definitely not that one. Although I think, because I've taken this out of the booklet, I'm sure a chicken would eat insects given the chance. So maybe that's not entirely true there. And finally, dislocate. To move a bone out of its normal position. Dislocate. You may have heard of someone dislocating their arm or their shoulder. Okay, and in the text that we're reading, it said that the snake dislocates. The alien dislocates its jaw. Similar to that of a snake. Okay, and of course it's this one, because you can see the jaw has been dislocated to allow the snake to eat the food. So we've just had a look at 4 definitions of words: humanoid, cocoon, vegetarian, and dislocate. And today I've just created you a short task. So you've got to write a sentence and draw a picture for each of the 4 words that we've looked at today. And I have set a challenge as well. So if you can use the words since, before, although, and if to create a subordinate clause in each of your sentences, that would be fantastic. So I'm going to show you what you will have to do. So when you load up your purple mash, you will have this screen greet you. Obviously there's 4 separate parts. So we've got humanoid here, and you can type your sentence about a humanoid. Remember, since, if, although. Before. Since. Let's think. I'll do one example for you. Since the aliens since the peculiar humanoid had 2 arms and legs. Let's go for hat. Since the peculiar humanoid has 2 arms and legs, it is able to disguise itself in society. So that's saying because this is similar to because the peculiar humanoid has 2 arms and legs, it's able to disguise itself in society. It's able to live amongst us. Oh, that might be better actually. It's able to live. No, I'll keep it as disguise itself in society. And then, if you click on the picture here, children, you can create a picture. Now, I did have a go at this earlier on, and it was disastrous. It wasn't humanoid. It looked more like red jelly, what I created. So I was thankful that I found the clip art option up here. And if you click on clip art, as you can see earlier on, I was so happy when I found a humanoid. There we are. Make the picture a bit bigger. Ooh. Nope. I'm not painting it. Oh, actually, I don't know. Can I change the background? I wonder if that works. Okay. Ah, there we go. If you do want to get rid of your picture, children, you just pick it up and drag it to the bin over there. Okay, so there's lots of different things that you could add to this clip art picture. Remember, it's got to link with your sentence that you've written, so I might have it looking like it's in society. So there's a house behind it. In fact, if I make my alien a bit smaller, make the house in the background a bit larger, and obviously I could make more pictures for it. I don't know why I went for the blue ground there. Now obviously you've got Cocoon, Vegetarian, and Dislocate to write one for as well. Okay, so I hope that's fully explained and you're aware of what to do. Try and complete the challenge as well. So you're using the subordinate clauses, and because that is what we would be looking at if we were in school. I wish you all luck. If there's any problems, then ask your teachers on the blog, and I'm sure they'll get back to you. Thank you. Goodbye.